Oh no, what happened to your fin, Red? I was so shocked last night to see Red that someone is actually munching his fins, and I found the culprit. One thing is that Bumper just had her eggs and also this fry, and this is the culprit. This is Comet, and he's the one trying to munch out and trying to bully the other fish. Probably he's trying to guard Bumper to stay away from them. And so what I did, I took this box container that I have with like holes in it so water can pass through, and it doesn't have any sharp edge or any pointed thing inside it. I believe that it's still a good size for him that he can swim around, and this is just temporary, so I tie this up to the base of the aquarium. So as you could see here, you can still see everybody, but he's just not fitting that hole there to swim around inside the tank. So I would just let Red heal his fins, and then I'll let go of Comet. Get well soon, Red.